Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about a premium residential development in southeast Bangalore. The name of this project is Fortune Primero 7, located on the rapidly growing Sarjapur Attibele Road at Billapur. If you are looking for a premium home with the modern amenities, excellent connectivity to Bangalore's IT hubs, and strong long term investment potential, then this project is definitely worth considering. In this video, we will talk about the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Spread across approximately 11 acres, Fortune Primero 7 is a premium township development by Fortune Group. The project features 4 impressive high-rise towers with a structure of 3 basement, ground floor and 41 residential floors. Designed as a modern vertical township, it offers thoughtfully planned 2, 3 and 4 BHK residences surrounded by landscape garden, open spaces and a wide range of lifestyle amenities. One of the standout features of the project is its unique sky bridge concept. These themed sky bridges connect different parts of the development and creates dedicated recreational and social spaces high above the ground. Combined with more than 100 lifestyle amenities, the project aims to provide a complete living experience for residents of all age groups. Talking about the location, Fortune Primero 7 enjoys a strategic address on Sarjapur Road, one of the Bangalore's fastest growing residential and investment corridor. The project is located just about 1.3 kilometers from Azim Premji University. The Mart is 1.9 kilometers away, while major employment hubs such as the Infosys and Wipro campuses are located nearby. Outer Ring Road, IT corridor and Electronic City, making it an attractive choice for both working professionals and students. When it comes to the lifestyle amenities, Fortune Primero 7 has been designed to create a vibrant and community-focused environment. Residents will have access to a grand clubhouse, swimming pool, kids pool, fully equipped gym, indoor games room, multi-purpose hall, landscape garden and numerous recreational spaces spread across the development with more than 100 thoughtfully curated amenities. The project focuses on wellness, leisure, fitness, and social engagement. The residences themselves are designed with the modern families in mind. The 2 BHK apartment range from approximately 1,180 to 1,199 square feet and are ideal for young professionals and growing families. The 3 BHK residences range from around 1,383 to 1,840 square feet, offering larger living spaces and enhanced comfort. For buyers seeking more luxurious layout, the 4 BHK homes range between 1,912 to 2,086 square feet and provide expansive living areas suitable for larger families. Across all configuration, the homes feature spacious living and dining areas, premium flooring and fittings, provision for modular kitchen, excellent natural ventilation, large window for abundant daylight, and efficient space planning that maximizes usability. The project also offers well-planned infrastructure and parking facilities, dedicated basement parking, visitor parking provisions, organized traffic circulation, and pedestrian-friendly internal roads help ensure convenience and safety for residents. As for construction progress, the project is currently under development and the RERA possession timeline in March 2030, while the developer is targeting an expected possession by December 2029, subject to construction progress and approvals. Now let's talk about why this project is attracting so much attention from investors. So Sarjapur Road continues to be one of the Bangalore's strongest real estate market, driven by rapid infrastructure development, growing employment opportunities and increasing residential demand. Its proximity to major IT campuses, strong rental demand, future appreciation potential, and premium township living make Fortune Primero 7 a compelling investment opportunity. And when you book your home through Property Cloud, you also benefit from best price assurance, priority access to inventory, transparent deal support, complete home buying assistance, home loan support, site visit coordination, and zero brokerage charges from buyers. During a site visit, you will receive a detailed project presentation, a complete walkthrough of the master plan, floor plan comparison, amenities tour, pricing discussion, and a detailed analysis of the project's future growth potential. For brochure, latest pricing, detailed payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.